And now that I've set up my tools, I am going to save and exit and move on to a new operation. So we're going to add a milling operation, adding a profile to cut out the outside of our shape around our stock. We need to create a new coordinate system. We'll pick a face. Sorry, we'll click the outside so it knows the profile to go on. Is it still recording? Yes, it is. Great. We'll hit OK on that geometry. It looks good on our toolpath. We'll select our tool. We'll use our larger 11mm spindle. Select. And we'll check our levels. Top target's good. Profile depth will be full depth cut to the base of the machine, not to the base of the stock. Pick that. And our technology, we will be using checking our tool side first. Why is it showing? That's correct. Depth type constant. We will calculate this route. It's on the wrong side, it looks like. It's okay, we can edit that. Go to our tool and make it on the right hand side of the path to correct that issue. Let's recalculate. That's better now. Our tool path is on the outside. And we can simulate using Quick Solid Verify. Let's have a look. Yep, good. Let's cut out the perimeter. Perfect. I'll move on to our next operation. So we will add a milling operation. This time we'll be doing 3D milling. And we are going to, that's correct, geometry, define our working area. Define. So we're going to want to, with the same tool, we're going to do our facing, and we're going to do our center bore. If I can get that cut to work. Let's try that again. I'm not comfortable with that. There we go, facing, and we'll do our center bore. Perfect. Because that is what suits the size of tool we have. Hit OK. OK. We'll select our tool. Same 11mm spindle. Select. Check our lower levels. That's fine if that's our boundary. Technology will be a contour with a 0mm wall offset, as we're not going to be doing any finishing passes on this piece. I'm going to save and exit, and let's calculate this route. Looks pretty good to me, and let's simulate. Sorry, Quick Solid Verify, there we go, that always helps. And the simulate. And that will take down our profile on the very outside to begin with. That's good. And we'll make a new operation to do some of our detailed work with our smaller spindle size. So let's define our working area. Picking up on all the detail that we missed previously. go. Looks like we got everything. Our full profile done. Fantastic. Alright, we'll save that. Okay, once again we'll select our tool. Our secondary spindle with a 4mm diameter so we can match those radii. Okay. Check our lower level clearance. Still looks fine. Good practice. Technology, we'll be doing another contour pass with 0mm offsets again. Obviously because we're not doing a finishing pass on this piece. I will save and exit. And let's calculate that route. Yep, that looks pretty correct to me. And let's simulate that with our quick solid verify. Let's see what progress we've made. Alright, that looks pretty good. That detail there is often some artifacting that happens from such a coarse approximation. But that is the entirety of the milling complete on CAD model part 2. Thank you for listening.